Good day, classmates, especially to our professor, Professor Arlene Ibanez. And this is Raymond C. Abanyo from Barutuan National High School. And this is the task that is being assigned to me. When you look up the sky, you will see the beauty of sun, stars, moon, and there's a lot of question how the solar system formed. And from this presentation, we will determine if where does the solar system came from. The first one is the Big Bang Theory. They think that it's about explosion. The solar system formed, according to the proponent George Lemaitre and other scientists. Big Bang Theory is not explosion, but it is expansion. Big Bang Theory is and it is according to the theory. Galaxy and Earth is not moving, but the space and between. Okay, so like the space and balloon, but when we apply air, we will notice that the space is getting far to each other. That is the example of Big Bang Theory. And according to this theory, our universe is already existed. It's already existed before Big Bang Theory. And this theory is accepted one because they know that the universe is expanded until the planets form. But where does the heavenly matter came from? According to the scientists, they believe that the universe and planet came from what they called singularity, that usually form in a black hole that expand until it becomes planets. Because of energy, by the way, black hole is the darkest heavenly bodies because of heavy gravity in it. It has the capacity to absorb the planet, stars, even the entire solar system. And it is the reason why there is a theory that we call singularity, and it is being proven by Albert Einstein, wherein from his equation, E is equal to mc squared, wherein energy can be converted into matter. Okay, the next one is the Planetisimal Theory. According to Thomas Chamberlain, it is fundamental building blocks of planets, believing that ancestor of asteroids and comets. Solar systems came from the explosion of two giant collision of two stars. The other side of the star after collision become sun, while the other one become planets. It is because of the accumulation of the planetoids until it become planets, including Earth. Planetoids came from the pieces in the universe like stars and comets, and many years passes, those matters become solar system. Next is condensation theory. This is being created by Robert Jastrow, that according to him, sun and star is came from the masses of elements, gases, and atomic dust. For a very long time in the space, it suddenly explode, dividing into many parts, colliding into newly formed like sun and stars, and the process happened many times, and this is the reason why there is a solar system. The next is the nebular theory, being presented by Immanuel Kant, a philosopher of Aleman. According to him, Earth and other nebula containing gas. From the start, it is cold, but for a long time, the particles inside the nebula collided because of force of gravity. That force to move while moving, it is getting hotter and hotter, and because of temperature, this matter turned into solar system, and this is what we call nebular hypothesis. Those theories are some answer like atheists who believe that God doesn't exist, but the last belief is biblical belief. According to the Holy Bible that we use, it proves that all matters in this world, like in forming a solar system, like planets, sun, and the entire universe, is being created by the Mighty One. Those different types of beliefs like singularity, nebular, black holes, that is being presented that the universe or the solar system came from this belief. But there's also some question, where does it came from? How is it being presented or started, and who did that one? There's a real creator and all things in this universe. And before anything, it is already existed. If those theory or happening in the universe is just only accident, why is it like there's exact formation or location wherein we are not really far and we are not really close to the sun? Okay, so just normal temperature. In our world, there is we are abundant of resources. Like in terms of the distances of each planets, so it will not collide to each other. There's also a lot of question, even some genius people can't answer, and that's the thing that prove that God is everlasting. That's all, and thank you very much.